Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100. Let's try and find out the price prediction of Ecash XEC, currently ranked at 48, and the volume over the last 24 hours has increased 52%. Okay, the supply circulation is 90%. Let's try and find out through the charts here. XEC chart on the tradingview.com. Now guys, 3 days ago, this is the daily chart. Okay, 3 days ago the price retested right at this level which I mentioned few days ago. You can see here, since 30 August this level was not tested. If I show you from from this end, from this end and to this end here, you can clearly watch out there was a gap in here. Okay, told you several times in my videos that whenever a level is broken and it has not been tested, then it has to be tested in the future because of the technical analysis and the gap which was created. Okay, so you can see clearly. Let me show you why this level was tested. First, we need to find out reasons. Reasons are very important for the learning. This is extremely important. Then I will get back to this area. Okay, you saw that this was the price. This was all-time high before these candles. Okay, this was the all-time high, so it has to be tested, because you can see here, whenever a level is tested for the first time, okay, it makes it a certain important level. So you can see 16030 was the level which was first tested back in 31st of August, I think 28th of August. Yes, this was the level which was tested first. Okay, so after that we break out this level, the price went up to create all-time high of 254, then price came down. It was a huge volatility. This was a huge volatile candle. Then second candle, the price tried to stay above this level, and then the price went up and it never came down for the retest, for a pullback. So this was a pullback. Basically a pullback is required, it is necessary. Okay, so what happened afterwards? We saw that the price started to decline, and it retested at this level. Although guys, let me tell you one more thing, there are certain gaps as well in here. Okay, there are gaps in here. Okay, there is gap in here because this was the level. It went up but it never got retested. Okay, it never got retested. Let's assume that in the future we might gonna see, if the volume fails, if the price fails to break certain levels, then slow distribution will take, we might gonna retest these levels of 128, 96. These are the levels which are mentioned. Okay, now let's talk about the current scenario. These four are important levels. Okay, very important levels. The price came down, then the price went up, started, you can see here. Let me tell you with the help of the volume. Let's try and find out with the help of volume. Okay, the volume has started to increase from from this area. You can say this is let me show you. This is the bullish volume, and that is why we saw price started to decline, but from here the price went up. So there was a divergence in here. You can see lower, this was a lower low. Okay, this was higher low. Okay, lower low, higher low, and then price started to but on the opposite side the candles were moving down, but the oscillator was moving upward. So that was a good indication that the price is gonna move up after making higher low on the oscillator. So the current scenario, you can see clearly right here, right at this level 193.29. It is a major level. Why it is a major level? Let me tell you guys, in the past this level has been tested. You can see these black dots which I have already drawn before. You can see here this level has been tested multiple times, so it is a major level. Let's call this level, this one, to be a major, maybe a major resistance. Okay, it is a major resistance. Why? Because it has been tested so many times in the past as a support level. Just try to find out, just try to just try to watch this level as a support. Okay, as a support, then support level. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. Okay, then it was tested 8 times, and on the 9th attempt, I think this was the 9th attempt, and the price went down. Okay, and then it was tested as a, let me show you, it was tested as a resistance. Now it acted as a resistance 1 2 3 and now 4th time. So this time it has tested the level as the 4th time. Okay, now we got a rejection 4th time, and but the volume is good. That is a good thing. We need XEC Ecash. This candlestick has to, it has to come back down to this level 185. We might gonna see some pull back towards 185, and might be if volume continues to increase, then with good volume we can break this level. Okay, it has to break this level. 193.29 is an important level which has to be retested. After that, what could be the next level of resistance? That is the main thing. If we talk about the previous swing high, then I think this is the next swing high. I will try to draw a level here. Okay, I think so. This is the swing high. Then this might be, instead I will take this level out, and let's try to find out. Might be because of this swing high, that would be our next resistance. Okay, because you can see here in the past this acted as a support level. You can see as a support level multiple times as a support level. Okay, this is a major point, but it acts as a next major point. Okay, this is the next major point. So 212.21 would be the next level of resistance. Right now we might gonna see a pullback towards 185, and then with a good volume of consolidation, maybe we need some small size candles like like these. We need some small candles here to form a support, and then with a strong volume we can move up. This is the first scenario. Okay, this candle is in formation right now continuously. It is right now, it has not been closed yet. Okay, close candle is very important. So this candle has to close above 193. We might gonna see a pump, maybe another pump to it, another move. We can break out this level, but again it has not been closed. But if it closed below, then we might gonna see some consolidation back to 185, and then from there maybe 1 2 3 candles, small candles, we can move up. Otherwise the price, if we saw huge selling volume, then this downtrend will continue because it has not broken the previous level. It has to break this previous level. You can see clearly, no rocket science guys, this level has been tested. Okay, it has to break above this level. Okay, if it fails to break above, we might gonna form triple top kind of stuff. Okay, and from triple top a huge fall in price can happen at these levels 128.96. So these are two current scenarios. Okay, and this is the price prediction of XEC Ecash. Thanks for watching guys, take care, bye.